Hello, and welcome to NetItWorks' Vertical Market Solutions series. In this video, we explore how Sage X3 empowers chemical manufacturers and distributors to navigate the ever-shifting landscape of supply chain challenges. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the agenda for this video. We'll start by reviewing critical supply chain challenges faced by chemical manufacturers and distributors. Then, we'll explore supply chain planning in Sage X3's Smart MRP tool from both a consolidated purchase planning and manufacturing perspective. In the chemical industry, regulatory compliance, safety protocols, intricate product management, demand unpredictability, and global logistics complexities are constant hurdles. To stay competitive, manufacturers and distributors must employ advanced supply chain management tactics. Collaboration among numerous suppliers, distributors, and retailers is commonplace, but manual coordination is arduous. Sage X3 steps in to streamline supply chain operations, foster collaboration, and boost efficiency across the board. In our chemical video series, we're working with a leading manufacturer and distributor of chemical products with multiple facilities across the state of Alabama. With operations spanning various sites, they prioritize consolidating purchasing needs to secure favorable terms from suppliers. However, their current manual purchasing process presents challenges, particularly in forecasting and planning. Let's explore how they could benefit from Sage X3's MRP planning tool. The visual process flow showcased here outlines the interconnected supply chain activities within X3. The MRP process evaluates demand against supply over a specified time frame, suggesting necessary orders to bridge any gaps. Beginning with the sales order icon, it's crucial to understand that X3 operates as a demand-based system. This means that we rely on our sales orders and demand forecasts to drive our planning activities. Generating a demand forecast involves analyzing historical data and trends. Alternatively, if we already have a calculated forecast, we can input the results directly into the system, which will then be utilized for planning purposes. Once sales orders and/or forecasts are established, the system harnesses that demand data to plan and facilitate the generation of all necessary orders to fulfill that demand. It meticulously analyzes various data points across sales, purchasing, manufacturing, and inventory to formulate suggested orders. Moreover, the system possesses the intelligence to discern which products should be manufactured and which should be purchased, thereby generating order suggestions tailored to these requirements. Now, let's dive into the Purchasing Buyer's Workbench, where purchasing managers leverage the MRP tool to strategize and carry out purchase orders. The Buyer's Workbench consolidates all our purchasing needs and presents them in a table format. When I hit the Search button, the table below populates with information regarding suggested purchase orders. Notably, the system calculates and fills in the products to be purchased, their quantities, and the required delivery dates, considering supplier lead times, all in a comprehensive and consolidated manner. Furthermore, the table offers various filtering options to refine results according to specific criteria. For instance, you can input a product range to display only packaging products, or filter by supplier, date range, or any other relevant criteria. The objective of this screen is to present a consolidated list of products slated for purchase, enabling adjustments as needed. Upon making modifications, simply clicking the Generate button in the right panel automatically generates and shares selected purchase orders with suppliers via email, streamlining the process with a single click. For companies with multiple locations, like our friends in Alabama, they can utilize the Site field to obtain a consolidated view of purchasing requirements across all registered sites and warehouses. Returning to our visual process flow, the inception of our manufacturing process begins with the creation of a work order or job ticket. How do we go about generating a new work order? Once again, we turn to our MRP planning tool. This tool examines existing demand from sales orders and forecasts, guiding us in executing work orders in alignment with this demand. For manufacturing managers, the Planner's Workbench serves as the focal point for executing work order activities. Similar to the previous screen, This interface offers various filters to refine the list of work orders based on specific criteria. Once the search parameters are set and the search button is clicked, the MRP tool provides insights into which products require manufacturing, their scheduled timings, and the quantities needed. It's important to note that the system takes into account factors such as sales order quantities, safety stock levels, purchasing lead times, and other stock parameters configured for each product. When it comes to scheduling work orders, the MRP tool considers the shop floor capacity at each site, as well as raw material availability, to ensure that work orders are scheduled in a manner that aligns with the delivery dates specified in sales orders. In summary, our approach integrates workflow notifications, configurable landing pages, and an automated MRP tool to optimize supply chain planning. With interconnected sales, purchasing, inventory, and manufacturing data, teams have access to real-time information, fostering agility and operational excellence. Thank you for watching this video, the first in Net at Work's Chemical Series, where we showcased how Sage X3 empowers chemical manufacturers and distributors to navigate supply chain challenges successfully. Don't miss the next installment in our chemical segment, where we delve into quality control and traceability. For inquiries or to connect with our team of expert technology advisors, please refer to the contact information provided on your screen. Farewell for now.